Hello everyone, here we are in Olivomare, trying one of my other favorite dish. This is also because it was one of my mother's dishes that I loved when I was a kid. It's mackerel filleted and it's deep fried with this semola, which is a sort of a grain, and it's deep fried and dressed with tropea onion, red onions and tomato with a touch of vinegar. So it's a bit of a sweet and sour taste. I think this dish is absolutely fabulous. And of course it's packed with a lot of fish oils. This is a typical Sardinian dish, especially in the south near Cagliari. And it's called Sgombro a Scabbecciu. Scabecciu because it's got a little bit of vinegar. And it gives that really deep taste. So please come and try it. You won't be disappointed because it really, I eat this every day now. It's on the menu. And of course, a little bit of vermentino from Sardinia. It's very good to wash it down. Best combination, especially for lunch. Fantastic.